zoom it and you can copy and paste it, the code.
Okay.
Tell me what can be the output. Don't run it. Just tell me.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely. Oh, that would be actually no age.
Okay. Can you tell me why?
Just because the first of all I check data, okay, and that is a like that is object, and
Okay.
that is a different location memory location object, and definitely that it's not would be equal because there is a different memory location, so that's why it's not would be console log, and then also that would be not, and that's why that would be
So memory location it will check, right?
right.
Okay. Can you tell me the difference between so we are checking the object. So object is a primitive or non-primitive data type?
Yeah, definitely there is a non-primitive data types.
Okay. Can you tell me the difference between primitive and non-primitive data types?
Oh, if I say about primitive data types is like non-primitive data types is strings object, okay,
Okay.
and then non-primitive
Primitive
data.
is string objects.
Yeah, primitive is string null undefined this kind of data types,
Objects is there?
and object is the non-primitive data types, object and array.
Okay. Okay. Fine. 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 Okay. Uh,
Can I run it?
yeah, yeah, you can. That's the correct answer.
Mhm.
Uh, okay. Can you tell me this?
Okay. Uh, I have a limited knowledge about this code.
Okay. Can you try it? Like, what can be the output?
Okay.
Just try.
Oh, I could say like I could. Can I escape this question?
Yeah, you can skip it. There is not an issue. Just try what will happen on every step to
First of all,
know.
like I call the function in here,
Okay. Okay.
and then after that, like when I call the function, so this time there would be output would be console.log.
Okay.
So and then okay, I think I could done it. So I think like when the console log, so this times I will get this message just because of like 100 milliseconds, and then after that maybe I will get it this result.
So what will be the output? Can you comment down the output?
Okay, in output would be like ABC 100 first,
100.
and
No, no,
yeah,
no.
exactly.
Just how there can be the value. Just tell me at first call what will be the output, and at the second call what will be the output.
Okay, that's great. The first of all, the first call will be this actually sentence, and then after that there would be this sentence.
So there will be 100 and 200, you mean to say?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, you can run it. Can you tell me now why it is undefined and then it is 100? You told me 100 first and then 200.
Right. Yeah.
How 200 can overlap? I just want to know at which base knowledge 200 got overlapped on 100 according to you. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, we'll go step by step. On fifth statement, ABC function is been called.
Okay.
Okay, so at that time, the timeout value has it been taken?
Oh, yeah, it's taken. Like no, it's not taken.
Not taken, right? So it will be undefined, right?
Right.
Okay, and second time it has been called, right?
Yeah.
At second function call ABC, which is on ninth statement. The
Right.
timeout value, the current timeout value, it has been the 200. First, the value was 200 at sixth statement, and then it go left by a value 100,
Mm-hmm.
right? The latest value is 100. Now, if you keep ABC timeout, like after ABC timeout equals to 100, you can keep ABC timeout equals to 300. Just keep it after 100. No need to comment everything. Just
Okay.
keep it as it is. And after ABC timeout 100, write statement of 100.
Oh, and with 300, right? I want to write.
No. Keep it as it is. After that
Okay.
statement, write ABC timeout, ABC dot timeout.
Mm-hmm. ABC dot time.
Yeah, ABC dot timeout is equals to 300. So now what will be the output? ABC. Tell me at first function call what it will be, the output, and the second function call what will be the output.
First of all, I want to say like I'm not get this question properly, so that's why maybe I will give the wrong answer.
Okay.
So that's I
Okay.
could
So
say.
you won't be you couldn't understand why undefined and 100 as a right?
Oh yeah, in this question.
In this question. Okay. Even after why undefined arrived, you couldn't get it.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, no worries. I will move on. No worries. Okay, I have given you one code. Tell me what can be the output.
Okay. Um.
You told me object regarding object, right? So, as per your explanation of object in the first question, you should be able to answer this.
Name would be Adil,
Adil.
right?
But in A there is a name Adarsh. So why it is Adil? Because in Z dot name there is Adil. Why in A dot name you are telling me Adil?
Just because of like there is a one locations, one memory locations.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's why actually I replace like address so to Adil. So that's why actually like when I try to access a name and this time or if I actually try to access Z name, so this time that so both result would be same.
Okay. Write one console log.
Another console log,
Just
right?
comment it out. All this thing.
All the things.
Yeah. Write console log plus true.
Console log
Inside that plus
plus two.
plus
Mm-hmm.
true.
True.
Yeah.
Okay.
And in second console log, write exclamation.
What the hell?
Write any string in quotes. Tell me what will be the output.
Okay. There will be number.
Number.
Mm-hmm. And
What like number will be the output.
there will be number. That means is one would be output.
Okay. Yes. Okay. And in second,
And after that, like there would be false.
this will be false.
Yeah.
Can you tell me why?
Just because of there is a true things. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
then I give in the exclamator, and then that means there is a, that's why there is a false.
Okay. Right is NN.
Another things, right? I want to write array, right?
No. Just write console log.
Mhm.
Uh, inside that is NN. Is
Name or none.
yeah. That is NAN. That's
Okay.
inside that write whatever what string you have written is hello. Okay. Write hello and tell me what will be the output.
Yeah, that would be true.
True. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just because of yeah, I call says like is none. It's not a number.
Okay. And hello is not a number. That's why it
Yeah,
will be true.
that's true.
Okay. Can you write an example for infinite curry?
Infinite carrying, right?
Yep.
Oh, right now I can't actually remember the say like carrying about
Do you know
this concept.
function currying concept?
Yeah, a little bit. Like one function will be take another functions
One function will take another function.
as argument.
So you know how can you do it?
Oh, right now I can't remember. Maybe previous times I did it.
Okay, okay.
Oh, can I run this code?
Yeah, you if you want you can. Okay, write one more console log.
Mm-hmm.
Write 2 inside
Two.
that 2 minus uh s-
My,
as a string 2.
is that?
Yes, and take one more console log on next line. Uh, take
Mm-hmm.
first as a string 2
Is string two
minus 2.
minus two.
Yeah. Now tell me what will be the output on both the cases.
There would be zero.
0 on first and second.
The second would be 22.
22.
Yeah.
Okay. It will concatenate, you mean to say.
Mm-hmm, right.
Okay. Do two more console logs. Console log of 2 plus keep copy, you can copy both the console log of
Mm-hmm.
upper two things. Yeah, and paste it. Just write instead of minus do plus.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, now tell me what can be the output.
Uh, there would be also like there would be concatenate. There would be 22. First one.
Okay.
Oh, no. Second one would be 22.
Second one will be 22,
Right.
and the first
The
one
first one would be 4.
will be 4.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so you mean to say the whenever there is a string afterwards, then it will get added.
Yeah. For example, like this plus operator, there would be convert to string to number. So that's why actually we are getting the 4.
Okay, so this is a 4 and the second one will be 22.
Yeah, exactly.
So you can see on 11th statement,
Mm-hmm.
11th statement there is a console log of 2, that is a string minus 2.
I
11th,
think
on 11th
yeah,
statement, yeah.
it might be.
And check compare it with 15th statement, and
I
both
think
are say both are showing the same output. So can you tell me there is no difference? You
Oh,
can
definitely. I'm not sure. I think 11 statement I might be wrong.
you might be wrong, and
Yes,
on 15th statement
I'm correct.
you're correct. So what can be the 15th 11th statement? What is the 11th statement as per you think?
Uh, like maybe if I say maybe I will say the wrong answer.
Yeah, no worries. I just want to check how you think. That's it.
Okay. It could be like oh my goodness. I think also have possibility 0. I think so.
The 10th statement is also 0 and the 11th statement is also 0.
But I'm maybe 80% sure like this answer would be false, is like wrong in 11 statement. But another 3 statement, I think I could be 100% that would be true.
Okay. Okay, so 14th statement is 4. You are sure on this.
Yeah.
And this 11th statement is 22.
Oh, it's not actually 22. It's kind of before.
4.
Hmm.
On 11th statement, the minus is making you do addition of both the numbers.
I could say like just my mind here right now.
Yeah.
uh, yeah. I think I could say like 80% I could be wrong, and then
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
actually
Tell me whatever you think. According to you, what it can be the output.
a string and then minus concrete would be a plus, and then that's why there would be 4.
4.
I could say.
Okay, you can run it.
Hmm. Oh, both are also 0.
Now, after seeing the output, can you tell me what can be the reason? You on 11th and 14th statement, you got it wrong, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So can you tell me why? Now, after seeing the output, can you tell me the logic behind it?
Okay, the first of all, like just number one, the 10 statements are there is actually minus are convert to string to number, so that's why we got the
Yeah,
number. That's why
yeah.
there's a zero, and there's a zero, right? The same thing happened maybe like minus statement convert a string to
But
number.
how string got converted into number, because there is no minus on that previous, because of
I got it. I
because
think
of
that.
because in 10th statement you told me because of minus the string 2 got converted into number, right?
Mhm.
But on 11th statement there is no minus on string 2.
Okay, is that would be like in here would be hidden plus.
There is no hidden. Okay, you can check it out later on. Tell me on 14th statement. 14, go to 14th statement.
Mm-hmm.
See, you told me 4.
Right.
So why it got 22 and why not 4 as per you? You told me 4, that for 14th statement. Why is it so?
Two
Why
plus
it
two.
got concatenated? You told me it will be addition, but why it got concatenated? Now,
Just because of plus.
because of plus, but you told me plus will convert string into number, right? That was the
Right.
reason of yours to tell me that.
Plus, yeah. When actually like beginning times we are giving the strings, and then after that like if it will be numbers, that there will be concatenated with be string.
Yeah, but uh, okay, so on both the cases 22 arrived.
Right. But I write in like maybe previously for.
Okay, tell me how you can convert that 14 statement, that is 2 plus string 2, into a number.
Oh, how could I actually convert like how could we get the result 4,
4,
right?
yes. Can you add something due to which you will get 4?
Yeah, definitely. I think I could add in plus, and then these times maybe I would. Can I run it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So you got it right.
Right.
When it will get to 4 and when it will concatenate. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Let. Okay. Can you tell me what will be the type of NaN?
And then type of.
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
Right.
What will be the output?
That would be object.
That will be object.
Right.
You can run it.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It would be number. Just because of like I'm going to explain it.
Yeah.
Just because of like I write it function like there is a expect there would be number, but I given the like strings or another thing, so that's why actually there is the that would be when I write in a string or another things that would be wrong, so that is actually number, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Right. You can comment this out.
Hmm.
Okay. As we go through NN, you can write console log of NN.
Hmm.
Remove that type of NN triple equal to NN, and tell me what will be the output.
That would be false.
Why? Any reason?
Yeah, just because of like there is the you know I think there would be different memory locations and our It's not actually equal. A type and value are not equal.
Type and value are not equal.
Yeah.
But here everything is same.
Yeah.
NaN, right?
Right.
So type and value, how you can say, on
For
what
example,
basis? Yeah, you can give me an example.
like if I actually like strings and another things, that would be actually true. Just because of
No,
the
that is a
I try to
two.
give in the example.
Yeah, yeah, but two. Okay, you are telling me two as a string double equal to two. That will be true because that will only check the value, and
Right.
triple equal to it will check the value as well as data type.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, but here in NaN, how you can prove uh, data type and value? What it will be different? Tell me first what different it is, why it became false, on what basis?
I actually studied, but unfortunately, I right now I can't remember it. Uh, yeah, but
Okay, on give me a situation, two scenarios where you
mhm,
will receive NN.
okay. Oh, sorry, I have to write something.
Yeah, you have to give me two scenarios where you will receive NN. NN you will
Okay.
receive, right? When you will
Mhm.
receive NN?
Oh, when I will receive an N, right?
Yes. Which situation you will receive NN? You can write at that statement and show me NN as an output.
Oh, okay. When I to scenario when I get like output when I expect or receive like an N, right?
Yeah.
So, oh my goodness.
Okay, I will give you one scenario.
Mm-hmm.
Write console log
Mm-hmm.
on next. Write any string inside that. Uh, -2. Okay,
Okay.
run it. Okay, this is
Yeah.
one scenario. Now you can give me any other scenario.
Okay. This yeah. Why? First of all, I want to explain a little bit like why I getting some none because that is not a number. So the this number will minus would be number.
You
So
got
that's why
it
actually
right when
right.
you will receive. Now give me another scenario when you will receive an end.
So maybe okay. Maybe same way we can try. Is that
Give me another way. I have given one way.
mm,
If you will write minus, then that will be same way.
right?
So give me another way as well.
Like it's not a number. Okay. Just I want to try. Hello, just plus two. I think also would be not a number. Oh my goodness, it's not.
You should be careful with minus and plus.
Mm-hmm.
Plus will here concatenate.
Right.
Now you will do hello -4. That is not the way you can show me an. Okay.
Uh,
So tell me any other way. You can think a bit and tell me when you will receive an.
yeah. Uh, uh, I'm a little bit confused about these questions and yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Can you see me,
So
this codeditor?
you are not able to understand what is an N. Am I right?
Maybe I understand, but I can't explain.
Okay. can you tell me how will you convert, or suppose if you write one console log.
Yeah, I write in here. Maybe it would be okay.
uh, Instead of that, okay, just okay, console log,
Hmm.
write number.
Okay, number.
Yes, number, that keyword, right? Keyword number. Okay, and write inside brackets true.
Is that?
Yes. Now what will be the output?
It's also will be output will be true just because of there is expect number and then I write it. Oh, there is expect. There would be actually not a number.
Not a number.
Yeah.
You can run it. On what basis you considered not a number? What was your thought behind it?
Yeah, I feel that like maybe there would be like they try to booleans away and then
So you know that true means one,
yeah, exactly.
right?
Hmm.
Now write inside number. Write whatever string you can consider, whatever you want. Hello, for example. Write hello.
Where where in
Inside
here?
number, instead of true, write hello as a string.
Okay.
Now tell me what will be the output.
Oh, it would be not a number.
It will be not a number.
No, wait. I have to think first.
Yeah, you can take your time.
There would be false.
False, you can run
Yeah.
it. Okay.
Just because of it, like there is a expect number, but I write a string, right?
Okay. Now see the scenario number. You got it right. Why it is
Yeah.
received NN. Now see statement 19 and see statement 20, and through which you will get to you will able to get on why on 18th statement NN triple equal to NN it received false.
Right.
Okay,
I got it.
you got it.
Yeah. Thanks for actually explain very well where,
No,
and thanks.
like you are able to getting it why it received false.
Yeah, I'm getting it, but unfortunately, right now I can't explain it. But I can understand one quotations. I understand say that if you are actually can't explain properly, that means you are not understand. But I feel that maybe I'm not understand. That's why I can't explain properly in here.
Okay, but by seeing 19th and 20th statement, you were not able to explain why NN triple equal to NN is false, right? But by seeing 19th and 20th statement, can you see there are different values, and for different values you are receiving NN. On
Right.
19th and 20th statement, you are receiving for different values NN.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if you can check hello as a string minus 2 triple equal to hello, will that
Oh,
be,
yeah, that would be false. Yeah,
that will
I
be
got it.
false.
Right.
So, and both are NN.
Mm-hmm.
You got my point?
Yeah, exactly. I got your point.
Okay. Okay. So, will you be able to get another scenario for NN?
I think we can switch another question.
Okay, no worries. Okay, write a variable with a equals to 5,
Equals to 5, right?
where a equals to 5. There is no variable.
Another would be no variable,
No,
right?
no, no. You haven't written any variable for this. Where you
Oh,
are
sorry, sorry. Sorry. You
where a
could say
equals to 5. Oh, yeah, any number. Take any equals to 5. Okay.
is that?
Yeah. and write in console log num plus plus post increment.
Is that?
Yeah, and in next line write console log num
Mm-hmm.
num.
Num.
Yep, and tell me what will be the output.
Okay, great. That would be 6.
6 on both the line.
No, this line would be 5, and this line would be 6.
6.
Oh, sorry. Yep.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm 100% sure.
Okay, okay, okay. You can comment this out. Write in a statement console log of console log of 4 as a string
For string
plus
plus
3
3.
into 2 into 2.
Is
Yes,
that
yes. And tell me what will be the output.
okay? There will be first of all like 6. Okay, because multiplication will be give the take the first priority, and then after that there would be like a concat, and then that's why there would be 6 and 4, and then there would be 46.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, you can comment this out and take one more question. Write console log of a.
A only A.
Yeah, and in next statement, right? Let a equals to 5. A equals to any, take any value on next statement. Let
Oh, A equal to
let
5, right?
let.
Let A equal to 5.
Yep. Tell
Oh,
me what
like
will be the output.
hmm, I will get the reference error,
Reference error.
right?
Okay. Okay, you can comment this out. Now, write console log of a. Next line console log of b. Right, on next line. No, don't write console log. Where
Hmm. What?
uh, okay, that's right. Where write b equals to a
Equals to A?
equals to take any value.
Any kind of variable, right?
Any value.
Oh, value 5.
Okay. Now tell me what will be the output. Write on console log of and write on console log of comment. You can comment it out for output.
Okay, the first of all, B are assigned A, and then A are assigned B. So B will be output would be 5, and but A would be undefined.
A is undefined.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
just because of A don't have any value.
A don't have any value.
That's why actually that would be
But A
undefined.
equals to 5 is it?
Yeah.
So A is not having any value, you mean to say.
Okay, I have to think more maybe.
Yeah, yeah, please.
Oh, A equal to 5 as the beginning time I assign, and then after that, I think also both would be 5 because there is the memory locations, both are same,
Both the memory locations are same.
right?
Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah,
Okay. Go ahead. Run it out.
reference error.
Tell me, can you tell me an example for shallow copy?
Shallow copy,
Yep.
right?
Yeah.
Oh, shallow copy means like there would be actually copy of original copy,
Copy of original copy.
right?
Can you give me an example?
I actually read the theory, so that's actually
Okay, so you don't know the.
I know, but unfortunately, right now I can't remember the shallow copy just because maybe I don't have any 100% concept about shallow copy.
Okay.
But I actually read
Okay.
one thing.
Okay. No worries. Can you tell me the difference between shallow copy and deep copy?
Shallow copy and deep copy, right?
Yep.
Shallow copy would be like copy of original copy, and deep copy would be kind of like original copy.
Original copy, like which copy? Value.
Yeah, object value.
So shallow copy, there will be values will get copied, right?
Right.
In shallow copy, and in deep copy, what it will happen?
Oh, I want to actually okay,
Okay.
what I have to write.
Okay. No worries. Okay. JavaScript is a statically typed or dynamically typed language.
JavaScript is a dynamically type.
Why?
I don't actually have deep knowledge about it.
Okay. What is the difference between pop and shift method?
Pop and shift method, right?
Yep.
Shift, is that?
Pop and shift. Pop method and shift method.
Pop will cut or pop will delete in from last serial,
Okay.
and shift I don't have any idea.
Unshift. Do you have any idea on unshift method?
Maybe I can't remember.
Okay.
But pop will be delete in last, from to last.
Okay. So suppose if you want to retrieve a character from a certain index, which method you will use?
If I try to recreate
Is
some
there
character,
any inbuilt method for it?
sorry.
Is there any inbuilt method in JavaScript to retrieve a character from a certain index?
Uh, I don't actually get these questions, I think, properly.
Okay.
I can't.
But you are able to understand what I questioned you, or like you are not able to understand the question only. Like
Maybe
suppose is there is a value, there is a string hello, and if I want to, there is a third index,
mm-hmm.
I want to retrieve that.
Rewrite that.
Re-
Rewrite that. Is that?
retrieve means I want to access that
Oh, okay.
value at the third index.
Mm-hmm.
So which method you can use?
Okay. Access. Map method.
Map method. Map method is used for retrieving a value from a certain index.
Oh, maybe actually I'm taking so much pressure. That's why actually I
Yeah, yeah.
totally
No worries.
forget
No
everything.
need
That's
to
okay.
take any pressure. Just whatever you know it, and if you don't know, then that's why you don't know, right?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, no worries. What is the use of reduce method?
What is the use of reduce method? Just we are actually adjust all of number. That means all of number are like we are including one.
Okay, can you give me an example?
Reduce, right?
Yes.
Okay. For example, like first of all, I could take one array. functions and reduce. Okay. After that, return number reduce will be like, oh, n r y console.log, and yeah, this way actually we can add maybe value. Can I run it?
Yep. What
Okay.
happened?
Oh, sorry. I'm not called profile, I think so. Maybe right now is okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yep. Do you know filter method?
Yeah.
So what we can do?
Just because of, for example, if I search on any kind of number in filter method, so this time, so this number I could take it by using filter method.
Okay, and map method?
Map method is, oh my goodness, I can use it, but I can explain it in map method.
Okay, you can use
But
it.
I have to think first. Oh,
Okay, no worries, no worries. Can you tell me object? What is object destructuring?
object destructuring.
Yep.
We are actually separated some of value
Okay.
uh, from array, or
From
or another.
array.
No, no, actually for object. I'm sorry to say.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we can actually just because of help of using, we can actually separate it to value. Yeah.
Okay. 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 We will move to React. So you have worked on functional and class components, both.
Um,
You have worked on React.
yeah, and then I think I'm not like used to class component. I'm used to functional component.
Okay. So you have worked on functional components.
Yeah.
So can you tell me life cycle methods, how you will use in functional components?
How will you use in functional component, right?
Yes.
According to class component, right? So
You told me you have worked on functional components. So
right.
tell me according to functional components, how will you use it?
Okay, this is like we are using use hook or use state or use effect. So this kind of method we are using in function component. So and then is that
Yeah, so you will be using use effect.
use effect, use state, and this kind of hook method.
Okay, so but for lifecycle methods, you will use state.
No, in lifecycle method we can't use in like use effect, use state because there is a function function. So yeah.
Why can't we use effect for lifecycle methods?
Just because of that is the life cycle method is the old method. That's why. And so if I try to actually in the life cycle method have a constructor method or constructor or something else.
I guess you haven't execution done the execution. Am I right? Practical work you haven't done on React. Am I right?
Mm, I have a little bit knowledge about it.
But you haven't done any practical on React.js. Am I right?
A little bit, not much.
So you, if you have done on functional components, so you should be knowing. You okay? So on which hooks you have worked on,
Oh, use effect, use state,
and?
and useref are not actually using much more, but yeah, most of time use state and use effect.
Okay. So what is the use of use state?
What is the use of?
Use state.
Can you?
Use state. Use state.
Oh, use state. So for changing a value, actually
For
update value, update state,
okay, so for changing the value.
changing will the update state.
Okay, so if you want to update the state, then you can use state.
Yeah, exactly.
So can you tell me syntax of use state?
Syntax of use state, right?
Yep.
Just if I say about like uh you know this way actually value. So yeah, this way actually we can use the use state
Okay. And inside use state, do we put anything?
in here.
Inside, yes.
So yeah, like I could given the zero, or like it's depend on like what is the requirement, right?
So what is that? You are providing zero. So what is that value?
For example, if I make any kind of like calculator counter or button plus minus, so this time so that would be zero, and then if I give in the zero,
Yeah, so it is a default value, right?
yeah,
Okay, so tell me what is value, what is set value?
okay. Like a value, the value will be default value. That would be take the default value
No, no, what is value here?
in here.
Yes, that is a like what is it? It is a state. It is a function. What is this? Value, what it is? Like for
That is
example,
state value. State value.
state value. And what is set value?
Set value is like there is a there would be the set value we are using actually.
As you told, value is a state. Then what is set value? Tell me accordingly.
There would be update value. That is a set value we are using just because of set, update value.
Yeah, it is used to update value, but there is a like as you
There is a default value, and then there is a the set value, and then like what I
set.
want to
What
set.
is set value exactly? Is it a variable?
No, it's not a variable.
Then is it a function?
I'm not think previously like that.
Okay, okay. What is map state to props?
What is maps
State to props. Have you
state?
worked on Redux?
Oh no, I'm not work. No.
Okay, 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 fine. Okay, you have worked on HTML, CSS?
Yeah.
Okay. What are the different types of list in HTML?
What is the different types of
List in HTML.
list and HTML, right?
List.
Okay. What is the difference between list and HTML?
No, no. What are the different types of lists?
Oh, what is a different type of list, right?
Yeah, there are different types of list in HTML. Ordered list
Oh, is that like order list, unordered list, and
and
I think I know these two things maybe right now. I can remember order list and unordered list, and then
only this two are there.
maybe no, but I'm not sure. But right now I can remember those two things.
Okay. Do you know description list?
Description list.
Yep.
Oh no.
Okay. No, it is. What is target attribute?
What is the target attribute?
Yes.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay. How many ways are there to specify CSS styles for the HTML element?
Can you repeat your question?
There are how many ways through which we can specify the CSS styles for the HTML element?
Okay. We can actually three way.
Okay.
We can define HTML. Yeah, CSS. In HTML, like inline CSS,
Okay.
outline CSS,
Okay.
and external CSS.
Tell me the layout structure for HTML.
Layout structure.
Yes.
Okay. The first of all, I will take HTML head, and then include in head, like I will take meta or link something else, and then after that I will take body. So in body I will write in everything what I want to do structure.
Header and body, that's it.
Head and body, and I said that like in head I will include like
There are
a link.
can you tell me layout elements? Like there will be different layout elements in order. There will be header, right? There will
Right.
be a navigation, right? Or
Mhm.
you are not able to grasp. There is a footer tag in last. Okay, no worries. We'll move on to the next question.
Mhm,
Uh,
mhm.
what is an image map?
Image map.
Yes,
Oh, I don't have any idea about image map.
you don't have an idea. Okay. What is the use of fig caption tag in HTML?
Caption tag.
Fig caption.
Flipped captions,
Fig,
right?
fig. Fig caption tag.
I'm not used to.
Okay, no worries. What is the difference between HTML and XHTML?
Oh my goodness, I don't know a lot of things.
Okay, no worries. Okay, we will move to CSS. Can you tell me display none and visibility hidden difference?
Maybe right now actually, but I'm getting nervous. So I think if I give in the any like easiest question or easiest question, I will
No worries,
give.
no worries. It
Uh,
happens. No worries.
mhm,
Just whatever you know, you can say.
right now, actually, I feel that maybe I have to know a lot of things and I have to know deep knowledge.
Yeah, no
Very
worries.
deep
You know
knowledge.
this. What is the difference between display none and visibility hidden?
Display and
None,
visibility.
display none and visibility hidden.
Okay. Oh, okay. That is a CSS, right? So display none and visibility hidden. So visibility, when I given the visibility hidden, so this times space will take, and display none. So this times uh, this value or character or like this sentence will not, or take this is space will never take.
Space won't be taken in display none.
Yeah,
Okay, and okay, what is specificity in CSS?
specificity.
Yes.
I'm sorry to
Okay,
say.
no worries, no worries. Do you know how can we overlap elements in CSS?
Overlap.
Yes. Can we overlap elements in CSS?
Yeah.
Can you tell me?
Like if I given the importance, so this time maybe there would be overlap.
Okay, do you know how can we animate using CSS?
Maybe long time actually. I'm not a practice system.
Okay,
So
no worries, no
that's
worries, no
that's
worries.
actually basic question. I can't give an answer.
Okay, no worries. Okay, Hassan, that's it for the interview. Okay.
Oh, okay.